Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everybody, my name is Putra.
My name is Sarifuddin Adiptyya.
My name is Rafi Haikal.
My name is Fachrizal albani.
We are all from 9-7 class. In this video, we will make text procedure about mango pudding.
So, let's see.
Ingredient A: 1 sachet Nutri-Gel mango flavor, 1 sachet jelly plain, 2 sachet Nutrisari mango flavor, enough sugar, and enough water.
Ingredient B: 1 sachet Nutri-Gel chocolate flavor, 1 sachet jelly plain, 2 sachet sweetened condensed milk chocolate flavor, enough sugar, and enough water.
Step 1. Mix ingredient A, the pudding, the jelly plain, the sugar, and the butter. Step 2. Cook until boiled while stirring after that leaf. Then input Nutrisari mango flavor, stir again until blended.
Step 3. If the pudding is boiled, input the pudding into the jelly mold and leave it until cold.
Step 4. Mix all ingredients with the pudding, the jelly, the sweetened condensed milk chocolate flavor, the sugar, the water, and stir.
While continuing to stir, cook until boiled and leave the steam is gone first.
Step 5. Pour it into the foam pudding.
After cold, can be inserted into the refrigerator, so the pudding will more delicious. And the pudding is ready to serve. So that's for a video about text procedure how to make a mango pudding. Bye.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini kayak jadi kan, ya lu nomor